Yeah. Today, let's talk about installation enhancements for 8.0 release. First up, let's talk about the user interface changes. Okay, for 8.0 release, we have the blue themed screens across CD browser. And this is the screenshot for the development environment. When compared to the previous release, we have removed links related to client tools CD browser, as well as the documentation. As documentation is now not part of CD developer, it's the link has been removed as well. And then just to be consistent, we have also the plus screens blue theme, and the same goes with every tool as well. So let's just quickly see a demo. Yeah, I'll trigger the CD browser for developer. As you can see, we have these blue themed screens and the link for the installer and the review document. So we don't have documentation link as well as the link for client tool CD browser. So let's just click on the installer. We have the splash screen displayed. Right. Let's just not go through the installer. Just click cover the AB ready as well. In the splash screen for AB ready, and all the links, all the screens will have the same blue theme. Right. Okay, let's get back to the demo. Yeah. So we'll quickly go through the Rattle TLS certificate demo. For 8.0 release, during the installation of CD runtime, the user will be prompted to select the certificate which is required for the Rattle TLS service. So all the available certificates which are valid will be listed and user need to select it. Just quickly go through that. User will be prompted to either select the certificate during installation or during a later point of time after the installation is complete. So you can click on yes to select the certificate. Yeah. So these are the two certificates which are valid on my local machine. I'll select localhost, click OK, and enter the rest of the details. It will take some time for the installation to complete. So let's just wait for that. While this is going on, just quickly go to the install location to see program files. This is the Openjdk tool. The installation is complete. Configure address. So the certificate that we selected during installation is listed here. Okay, that's about the Rattle TLS service. We'll quickly do a demo for the Openjdk changes. Okay. During the installation of 8.0 component enabler, we need to select the Openjdk path. And the default path would be this C program files Java JDK-15. That's where the installer would search for a valid Openjdk installer available. And if user wants to select the change the default option, then we can use the change button here to change that location. Just quickly demo that. So the default path that's it's taking is C program plus Java JDK-15. If you want to change, you can change to any other location. As of now, let the default path as it is. Click on next, get it installed. And thank you.